always want to make the first move, and I think that's how it should go. That's nature.
That's nature.
I won't, because I appreciate chivalry, and I still think that I want to be chased and I want to be courted, and I don't know, I guess I'm not that gutsy. I don't think I could make the first move, but yeah, that's me.
I agree with Trishna, and I think it's just also maybe a little bit fear of rejection, that if we do make the first move and he doesn't respond the way we want him to, then
you
He's
just
never
feel
gonna, but he's
terrible.
never going to
yeah.
respond the way we want to, because
and
we
it's
have this whole
nice to have the guy
fairy tale in our
make the
head.
first move. I
Yeah.
mean,
It's
always
nice,
been that
yeah,
way, and
that's
it should
always
be
nice,
that way.
yeah.
And also, Mars, we take so much trouble to look good for guys.
I know.
Are you guys gonna make us do more stuff? Like, now we have to ask you out. I mean, please, dude.
Terrible.
Like,
I know.
please.
Guys,
But
seriously.
see the
yeah.
signs. We do drop hints and just see the signs.
Yeah, it's like body language.
Yeah,
It's so
yeah,
obvious.
it's so
Give
obvious.
signs,
Yeah.
It is. It's also really obvious when we're not interested, so you should
Yeah,
pick up on that too. The other question we have is dating an asshole just a phase for you ladies, like dating the bad boys.
No, we always have, and it's been like,
We always
I
will.
think it's a habit, yeah.
All the bad boys are like high-fiving each other right now, saying we're the guys.
Yeah, we did it,
Yeah.
We ruined them.
But why is that? So what is it? It's what we just like bad boys, like we were talking
That's
about
what it
earlier.
is,
That's
yeah.
what it
Actually,
is.
I won't be able to answer that question because I really haven't been with any assholes, to be quite honest.
Really?
Really, I've been very lucky in love, and considering
the
all the
look
nonsense
on
that I
me.
said, really, I'm really not joking.
This
I've
is not
never
fair.
been with anyone
I do
bad.
not think Trishna is the right person for this.
No, I'm telling you, and actually I'm feeling guilty now because now that I go back and I said that I would cheat and I would do this and that, and I apparently have had the nicest guys, but yeah, I mean, I
You're
don't know, I've
that
never-
girl. You're
I'm
that girl.
Exactly.
Trishna, terrible.
Priyanka.
Guys, give me the
Priyanka's like, I know. Yes. You know what we're saying. Well, we'll just play a song and we'll come back to another question in just a little bit. Text us now, ONE space to 53650. You can also Twitter in at Miss Malini, or just dial 66943 Big love to Tarana, her mom and her sister who are driving around and listening to the show. This one is Justin Bieber for all the 15-year-olds. I know you make fun of me for liking this song.
Baby.
But I like this song. 94.3 Radio 1. Maximum music, maximum choice. Ami and Trishna in the studio telling you the ugly truth and answering all your questions, so you can keep sending those in. I have another question for you ladies. So here's the situation, okay? We've all been there, I think, where we kind of liked a guy and we showed all the interesting signals, everything happened, he made the first move, and we kissed him. Okay, so now that you've kissed him, and it was a really, really bad kiss.
In his kiss. It's in his kiss.
Yeah. That's
not
it.
there, it's not there.
It's exactly. But now that you've kissed him, he obviously thinks I've totally got something going on here.
Sure.
How do you undo that?
What I would do is just ignore it. See, I mean, it depends. Mostly, I think if I would probably have not given him my number. so, it's convenient. He's not going to chase me or call me. But then, and if it really gets really persuasive, then I would just tell him that,
You're
what,
a
I'm
bad
really
kisser?
sorry. Yeah, but I just don't feel it, yeah.
Can you ever tell a guy that he's a bad kisser?
I would just not pick up the phone, or I would just kind of avoid him and hope that he gets the hint.
But here's the problem. Then he will fall in love with you.
That's
Right, Priyanka?
Maybe that would make him a better kisser. I may try it once.
No,
more.
really. We were just
Okay,
saying
no,
that.
Priyanka.
That's it. Yeah.
To just complicate the situation a little bit more, what if he's a friend of yours? And
Oops.
like, you meet him
Wow.
very often, and this sort of happens.
Awkward.
Then what do you do?
You know what? I just think you go through that awkward phase for some time. I think in a friend's case, I really think the best thing is honesty.
Let's
and
be
you
friends.
just
Yeah, let's
tell
just be
him.
friends.
I mean, in my opinion,
Trish, how would you tell someone you're a bad kisser?
you don't say you're bad.
You don't say that. You just say, let's just be friends.
Yeah, you just say,
And
I'm
he keeps
really
saying
sorry.
why.
We're so much
But,
better as
yeah.
friends.
So basically, we act like guys and say
yeah,
we're
we
just
act
not
like
in that.
guys. We learn from the
Then
best.
see,
Yeah.
Or just
They
make an
think
excuse.
the
Say I was, going through a rough phase.
And I just
was
happened
a
to
little-
kiss you, and it
Yeah,
wasn't
it
good
was
enough.
just. Oh, I was really drunk. Or, something like that.
No,
Okay,
I
guys.
would just be honest.
One sec.
Let's just be
Been there,
friends.
done that. Doesn't work.
What
Now
should
you
you do?
leave the city.
Why don't we ask the guys? Why don't we ask them?
We should.
Would you like to know if you're a bad kisser, like in some nice,
Yeah.
sweet, sensitive,
You
non-ego
know what? I
bashing
think
way?
they would.
What
Because
would
they
they
can
do
improve
about it?
then.
That's sad.
They can improve.
Like what? Like
There's no way to improve
Like
that.
practice on your hand.
like we did in junior KG. No.
Exactly.
So, guys, we have a question for you. Would you like to know if you're a bad kisser? Tell us.
I'm
I need
pretty
space.
sure their fragile ego cannot handle this.
53650. You can call in 66943 I'm pretty sure if you even said that, if we told them that, they wouldn't believe us.
Yeah,
But
that's true.
we'd like to know if you would still like to know. 2 minutes past 10. Stay tuned. This is is 94.3 Radio 1. Good evening. I am Miss Malini.